Hi everyone, welcome back to Chris Creations. Today I'll be showing you how to make pepperoni pizza pockets. This is a great snack for the family, so I hope you enjoy. Let's get started. In a bowl, whisk together eggs, milk, and garlic. In a food processor, combine flour, Parmesan cheese, salt, baking powder, and Italian seasoning. Put the cubed butter one by one in the food processor until it's all well combined. Transfer the dough to an electric mixer using a dough attachment. Pour an egg mixture and mix until dough comes together into a loose ball. Place the dough ball onto a large floured countertop. Knead the dough 10 times, turning it over onto itself and turning 90 degrees. Feel free to add additional flour as necessary to keep it from sticking. Using a rolling pin, roll out dough to 1/2 inch thickness. Take a 3-inch biscuit cutter or smaller size glass or bowl, cut out all the dough into circles. After cutting out all the circles, press them down slightly to make them a bit larger to make room for filling. Spoon pizza sauce onto the middle of the dough circles. Then add shredded cheese and pepperoni. Feel free to cut the pepperoni into smaller pieces like I chose to, or you can leave them whole. Carefully fold the crust in half and press the edges together. Take a fork and go around the edges to make sure they seal closed. Continue until all pizza pockets are made. Place the crust circles on prepared baking sheets. Bake at 450 degrees for 12 to 14 minutes. Feel free to brush the tops of the pizza pockets with melted butter and sprinkle with dried parsley for extra buttery goodness and flavor. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this recipe as much as my family does. Please subscribe for more and follow us on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. Thank you.